Best Mirrorless Cameras Review of 2026. Today we are counting down the best cameras you can buy right now, and honestly, number 1 completely surprised me. Picking the right camera feels overwhelming when there are so many options out there, but I have gone through each one closely so you do not have to guess. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check them out. From beginner-friendly pics to a full-frame powerhouse built for serious creators, this list has something for every kind of shooter. Let's get started. Number 5. Canon EOS R50V Mirrorless Camera. This one is a great pick if you create content for a living or just want to start doing it properly. The Canon EOS R50V is one of the first cameras from Canon built specifically with video creators in mind, and you can feel that the moment you pick it up. It comes paired with a wide zoom lens that stays quiet while it works, which matters a lot when you're recording sound at the same time. What really stood out to me is the redesigned interface made for vlogging, including a vertical tripod mount that saves so much time when you're shooting for social media. It also has a front record button, so you never have to walk around the camera to start filming yourself. On top of that, the 24.2 megapixel APS sensor captures sharp detail whether you're shooting stills or video. For anyone in the United States who creates content on the side or full-time, this camera removes a lot of the guesswork. It is not the most powerful camera on this list, but it is one of the easiest to start using right away. Number 4. Sony A6400 Mirrorless Camera. The Sony A6400 has been a favorite among creators for years, and after looking closely at what it offers, I understand why. This camera is known for its speed, and that shows in real use. The autofocus system locks onto your subject in a fraction of a second, which makes a huge difference when you're filming something that moves unpredictably, like kids or pets. It also offers 11 frames per second continuous shooting, so you rarely miss the exact moment you were hoping to capture. Another feature worth mentioning is the 4K Ultra High Definition video recording, which gives your footage a clean and professional look without needing extra editing work. Sensor technology here is solid too, with wide phase and contrast detection points covering most of the frame. If you travel often or shoot fast-moving scenes, this camera keeps up without much effort on your part. It sits at a higher price point than some others on this list, but for the reliability it offers, many buyers in the United States consider it worth the investment. Number 3. Pentax K1000 Manual Focus Film Camera. This one is different from everything else on the list, and that is exactly the point. The Pentax K1000 is a fully manual, battery-free film camera, and there is something genuinely satisfying about using it. If you're someone who wants to slow down and actually learn photography instead of relying on automatic settings, this is where you start. The fully manual operation means you control the aperture, shutter speed, and focus yourself, which teaches you far more about how photography actually works. It also has a compact and unisex design that feels timeless rather than dated, and many photography students still use this exact model today. Since it runs without a battery, the battery-free mechanical build means it rarely breaks down and keeps working for years with basic care. This is not a camera for someone chasing convenience. It is for someone who wants to understand light, exposure, and composition on a deeper level. In the United States, this model remains popular among film photography enthusiasts and college photography programs. Number 2. No Told Pine 5K Digital Vlogging Camera. This camera surprised me the most out of everything on this list, mainly because of how much it offers at such an approachable price. It records in 5K Ultra High Definition, which is honestly more than most people expect from a camera in this price range. Photos come out sharp too, thanks to the 80 megapixel photo capture, giving you plenty of detail for prints or close-up edits. Battery life is another strong point here, with a rechargeable battery supporting over 120 minutes of continuous recording, so you can film for longer stretches without stopping to charge. It also includes an 18x zoom, a flip screen for filming yourself, and accessories like a memory card and lens hood right in the box. For someone just starting out on YouTube or documenting a trip, this is a low-risk way to get quality footage without spending a lot of funds. Number 1. Best pick, Panasonic LUMIX S5 II mirrorless camera. This is the one that impressed me the most, and it earns the top spot for good reason. The Panasonic LUMIX S5 II is a full-frame mirrorless camera, which already puts it a step above most cameras on this list in terms of image quality and low-light performance. What makes it stand out is the phase hybrid autofocus system, which tracks moving subjects accurately even in difficult lighting, something older Panasonic models struggled with. It also offers unlimited 4:2 10-bit video recording, meaning you can film for as long as you need without worrying about a recording limit cutting you off mid-shoot, which is a huge advantage for interviews, events, or long-form content. The 24.2 megapixel full-frame sensor delivers natural, detailed images with impressive dynamic range, so your footage holds up even when you edit it heavily afterward. Who want a camera that can genuinely grow with them, from casual content to professional work? This is the one to invest in. It is not the cheapest option here, but it is the most capable by a wide margin. Final verdict. If you want the best all-around camera on this list, the Panasonic LUMIX S5 II is our top pick. Its full-frame sensor, reliable autofocus, and unlimited recording make it a camera that can handle almost anything you throw at it. If you're just getting started or working with a smaller budget, the Notolpine 5K camera is a smart choice, offering strong video quality and long battery life without a big price tag. Both options bring real value, depending on where you are in your creative journey. Check the description below for current prices and more details on each camera mentioned in this video.